Welcome the officials from Entumbane. I would like to welcome the officials from ZRP. I would like to welcome every school child, and I would love to thank the entire Entumbane community which participated. It is my utmost pleasure to be welcomed and also to welcome you to this campaign we have today. My name is Adrian. I am the Vice President for the Zimbabwe Partner in Help a Child Prefecture Students Assembly, also known as the Zimpark PASA. I'm very proud to be welcomed here. Today we are all gathered here to discuss a scourge in our society which is running rampant. This is the drug and substance abuse. I would like to again thank the organizers and the schools for such a great thing they're doing for our youth. Substance abuse is the misuse of medication and other substances like glue. Today, drug abuse is a serious problem in our city, affecting the youth more than anyone. It is very easy to become hooked on drugs because of peer pressure, or some might even try to lean on the drugs, substances and alcohol as an escape from the pains of life. Some commonly used drugs and abuse substances are marijuana, alcohol, glue, nyaube, codeine, cough syrup, also known as ngoma, and crystal meth, also known as gwaqa. A person who is using drugs might exhibit strange behavior like a change in attitude, missing school, decline in school performance, change in activities and change in friends. Let us all be aware, every single one of us, that we do not overlook or ignore any such case of drug abuse symptoms in the people we love. If anyone you know is suffering from an addiction, please notify your local police station. I'm very sure that they have a VFU, a victim-friendly unit,